So the names, when you are creating these, needs to be or follow the some rules. Like name cannot start. So here I'm just adding it heading. So here are the rules for variable names or labels. So let's see, let's try it here. What are the rules? I would like to show you one by one. So first rule is that the names cannot be started with number. There can be no space in the name. There would be no space in number. And here we cannot use any symbols in name like number sign, this. So these we cannot basically use the numbers in it, and a lot of other symbols as well, like we is this and this, and so on and so forth. Here this one is that, and also the you can say like these operators, these we cannot use. And also as far as the Python 2, it start following the pip 8 style, so preferably best practice to follow the pip 8 styling in lower case letters. So here we go, and try to avoid some ambiguous letters to use. Try to avoid L and these I, such kind of words, kind of uppercase letters. So and also avoid the reserved words as a variable name, like str, lst, and so on and so forth. So few example of variable name, like my salary is equal to 350, things like this, and tax return 2.7, something like that, and my tax, you can say like that here, the like here the my tax rate. So here like this way. So and now we want to show my text. So my text like this way. So you can like run it all the way. So here what is saying that here the text right 2.7 cannot multiply sequence of a non-intf type float. So here we can say like that it's showing, why it is showing like here, if we are showing this, and if we try to run it this, now it's my text is like this, approximately like this. So what you learn some of the basics of the numbers in Python and also the arithmetics. So we will move forward and see the next lecture. So thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed. This file will be the download available as for you. So thank you and bye for now. I'll be back with next lecture.